Hey, it's James Nicholson from rocketmarketinghub.com, and today I'm in the East Village in New York City outside Faco's meat store here. Now, the message for you guys in your business here on this is that you need to have something that you're unique at. Now, these guys make some of the best pastrami sandwiches in the whole of New York. They're known for it, and people come from all around New York to grab a sandwich in here that's going to totally fill them up. Like, they're absolutely huge, the sandwiches in here, and we come here every time we go to New York. It's one of the top rated places on TripAdvisor. It's in the top 10, so getting yourself good reviews as well in your business is another important thing here. Like, sometimes if you come here on the weekend, you'll have a queue literally around the block to just get a sandwich, and they are absolutely incredible. So what could you be known for? Because these guys just sell meat, right? But they've made a particular sandwich that they're well known for. They didn't focus on being good at all of them. They do sell good sandwiches, a lot of different varieties, but they're particularly good for the pastrami sandwiches. They've got themselves known for making one of the best pastrami sandwiches in New York, and that makes them stand out. And that's what you need to do in your business. Be known for something. Be known for being the best at something in your industry. Don't try and be the same as everybody else in the sea of sameness, because that's not going to get you good results. So I'm off to go now, and we're going to go on a ferry and go and see the Statue of Liberty nice and close up. So that's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.